Let's talk about learning from photos. Did you know that you can learn all kinds of things just from looking at a photo? Like this one? Let me show you how. We'll start by answering some questions. What do you see in this photo that shows what this animal looks like? I see black fur, white fur, black ears, black nose, and black fur around the eyes. What do you see in this photo that shows where this animal lives? I see water and grass. What do you see in this photo that shows how this animal moves? I see that they're hanging in a tree, and they must have strong arms to be able to do that. When you're looking at a photo, ask yourself, what do I see in this photo? What do I think is happening in this photo? And do I have any questions about this photo? So let's practice. What do you see? I see a bear. The bear has brown fur. I see claws on the bear's feet. I see forepaws. I see the bear's teeth. I see the bear's nose. I see the bear's ears. I also see trees in the background and some bushes and some sticks. And I also see snow. What do you think is happening in this photo? I think the bear is angry about something. Maybe the bear is angry because it's hungry, maybe it lost its family, or maybe something else. Do you have any questions about this photo? Yes, I want to know, where is the bear's family? Does the bear live alone? Why is the bear angry? Is the bear hungry? Where does the bear live? Let's practice again. What do you see? I see an animal. It has brown fur. It has white teeth. I see 2 ears. I see some paws that look like they have claws. And I see snow around the animal. What do you think is happening in this photo? There's not much going on, so I just have to guess. This animal, I think, is in the snow, and I think it likes being in the snow because it looks happy. Do you have any questions about this photo? I do. My first question is, what kind of animal is this? I'm not sure. Does this animal live alone? Does it have family? What does this animal eat? Where is this animal going next? Those are my questions. Remember, the next time you see a photo in a book, think about what you can learn from it. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.